Hello everyone. So now we are moving towards Al Barsha, which is a beautiful residential area filled with restaurants, grocery stores, and more. And it also has the mall of the Emirates. My hotel is just walking distance, like 5 to 10 minutes from Mall of the Emirates and its metro station. But before we go there, I'm soaking in the sunlight at QA2 one last time and showing you the beautiful views at the reception area at the Queen Elizabeth II Royal Cruise Hotel in Dubai. This is huge, and no matter how many times I look at it, no matter how many times I show you, it just feels not enough. And that is why I decided to not explore, but take you around one last time. And then we board a cab and move towards Al Barsha. Join me as we explore another area. But before that, I found this book which was really good, so I decided to show a clip to you. If you find that book, then please do read it. It has amazing travel stories, short stories, but beautiful ones. And now it's time for us to move and explore what is coming up in the days ahead. And then we reached the hotel in Al Barsha. This is City Max Hotel, which is situated right in the middle of a busy street. And this is the room that I'm staying in. Quite a basic room. I mean, nothing too extravagant or too unique here. That's why I won't show you a room tour, because it's just a standard hotel room. I will show you the room tour of the next hotel that I'm staying in, which is like a heritage hotel. But before that, we will explore Al Barsha, and I'm taking you on a little tour around the streets. What do we have over here? And we will have lunch at a place before we go on to the beautiful yacht, the Marina tour in the evening. So I'm just exploring the restaurants nearby. There's a mall of Emirates, as I told you earlier. That is something that we are not going to go inside right now. We will go there tomorrow or day after. As of now, just looking at what all restaurants are there and where should I eat today, right now. The amazing thing over here is how people strictly follow the traffic rules and abide by it every time, no matter what time of the day or night it is. And that is something that should be a takeaway for all of us, and we should also do this. I mean, yeah, we do it, but not as strictly and with as much of discipline as it's done in the UAE. So yeah, one learning here. Apart from that, we just continue our walking tour as of now, in the streets of Al Barsha. There was a mall view restaurant there. We are going to go there tomorrow, bookmarked. But right now, let's see what do we have here. I spot a Moshi restaurant here. See, Moshi, right? Let's see what do we have there. I think something around sushi. Yeah, sushi, momos and sushi. I am craving for sushi, so let's go in and see what all do we have at Moshi. This is it. Born in Dubai and inspired by Asia. Started in 2015. Quite inspiring. And this is a beautiful small restaurant, but sweet, run by some Japanese folks who are like absolutely amazing and welcoming. And here, I couldn't stop myself but ordered 2 or 3 plates of sushi, different kind of. I think I ordered prawn tempura and an avocado roll and some chicken steamed dim sums or juice. This was something like lychee pineapple. The sushis which arrived, absolutely delicious. And they also gave us a free dessert. This was Nutella cake, Nutella bread, something sweet bread with Nutella, and it was absolutely delicious. More delicious because it was as a welcome gesture, and the folks who are here gave us as a welcome gift, welcome to this area, and they wanted us to return over here again before we leave the UAE. So it was so sweet, I have to say that. And then we moved on to walk a little more on towards the Mall of the Emirates side, and there's this beautiful waterfront on the other side, and on the left side is the Mall of the Emirates, on the right side is this beautiful waterfront which takes you straight to the metro station and also the bus station of this area. This area looks absolutely amazing. People are sitting here and just chatting away. Some are, applying nail paints. People are just having that little chatty picnic here, which is beautiful to see and amazing because it gives you place and time to unwind. So yeah, if I had a lot of time in my hands, then I would have definitely loved to do a little bit of a picnic over here, minus the food, I think, because I'm not sure how much of that is allowed. But anyway, I would have to just sit around and just look at the views, the water, and just people passing by. And then we took a cab and moved to the Marina because it was time for us to board the yacht, the tour that I had booked, and it was a night tour with the dinner buffet included. And where did I book it from? All of these details I am going to give in coming soon, either in the description below or in a new video. And as always, when I'm running late, I am stuck in traffic. That was what happened here too, and I'm just waiting for the traffic to clear so that I could reach, because I think it was just 10 to 15 minutes away. We were just 10 to 15 minutes away from the starting time for the tour, and once the tour starts, I really cannot get into a yacht because it would be somewhere quite ahead. But luckily I reached in time, and the moment I reached, this is the view I had, and it's absolutely stunning. Just look at these amazing skyscrapers, and at night this looks absolutely amazing. And during the daytime it's difficult to distinguish, but once it lights up during the nighttime, it looks so amazing. I stood here and just looked at it and captured a lot of photos and videos because nothing could do justice to what I saw. So let me show you around this beautiful view, and then we go on to the tour.
So guys, please follow me. I will take you to the yacht.
And then our guide arrived, and we moved on to the other side where the yacht was, and which we had to board and move and enjoy the Marina tour. So the guide is going in front, as you can see, and we are all following, all of us tourists or people who are ready to explore this side. And as I was going into this area, I couldn't help but notice the beautiful views and also the lovely area that is just lit up so beautifully, and the warm hospitality and the welcoming area, welcoming people, and welcoming vibes that you get once you're here. So you can see all of these beautiful boats, yachts lined up towards the right, and each of these are by different tours and travel agencies. If you book one, you get into their respective yachts. Okay, so this is where ours is. Now let's get into it and see. We have to go on top. We have the top view, but first we remove our shoes and slippers, whatever you're wearing, your footwear basically, and you put it in here, and then you move on inside.
Hi, good
Good
evening.
evening, thank you.